Hi, I'm Akshay Singhal. By profession, I'm a consultant and work with one of the consultancy firms in Gurgaon. Milk has always been an important part of our lives in terms of consumption, it in the form of pure milk or curd or any other milk product that we make at home. Over a period of time, I have been realizing the need and importance of milk and its consumption, which has been growing steadily in my house for various reasons. Then I started watching a couple of videos which were there on a WhatsApp or a Facebook. They were talking about the cruelty that cows go through. They were talking about the side effects of the milk consumption as well. And the question that came to my mind is that how is it possible that a product as simple as milk, which has been part of our daily lives from the day we were born till date, is all of a sudden a poisonous substance, something that can harm your body, something that can create problems like cancer as well in the body. And I did a bit of more of research around it. And I still couldn't find an answer to why would that be happening. Then I watched a couple of Netflix videos, watched a couple of Hotstar videos as well. And they clearly articulated with a lot of thorough research that had gone into it, that why today's milk is different from what it used to be probably 15, 20, 30 years ago, the typical milk that we used to have. And one thing that I found there was that these are largely the hormone-induced milk that come from these cows. A typical cow, I understand, can only give a 5 to 10 liter milk a day, while these hormone-induced cows could give 15, 20, 25 liters as well. And then further research into it, I realized that there could be a direct link between a lot of malignancy issues that humans face today in their bodies could have a direct connection with milk. Though none of the doctors I spoke to clearly articulated the same, because probably they were shying away from telling you that you shouldn't have milk at all, because that's been part of our basic lives all throughout. And then one fine day, I thought of trying out something called A2 milk, because that's what the research showed could help doing away with the side effects of a typical milk that people or small kids also have. And then I identified Avarna as one of the leading milk producers in the A2 milk space. The type of product offering that they had varied quite a bit, but I started off with simple half a liter milk to begin with, and within 2 weeks of that I realized that probably this is something I should further increase the consumption for myself, and I moved to a 1 liter package a day. And today I have subscribed to about 60 liters of package for for next few weeks and months as well. And that's largely because I started building the trust and faith in one, the A2 milk and its qualities, and B, in Avarna itself, because the way they deliver services to your doorstep on time, early morning when you want a glass of milk or a cup of milk for your cup of tea as well, all of that is available to you much before you are awake. The quality of I believe safety and hygiene factor that they build around the milk as well. Though I've been also asked to visit one of their gaushalas in Barsana soon, and I think I will do that with my family. But the type of service that I'm getting from them and continuous focus on improving it more and more is fantastic. They're now recently there was a major incident in my family about a malignancy issue around cancer with one of my family members, and I realized further that with the help of an A2 milk type of a product, the cancer cells which actually feed on to the milk which has got hormone in it are not able to find that feed, and thus they start dying on their own, which means that I believe that there is a direct correlation between the A2 milk and reduction in the number of cancer cells in the body over a period of time. I mean, obviously I need to see it further over a period of time, but a lot of background research that I did really made me feel that this is a wonderful idea that I picked up, and I will continue to do so and ask all my friends and family members to subscribe to Avarna milk, which comes in the best of the packing, and safety and hygiene is taken care of as well. Thank you.